Welcome to simplystreetbikes.com. Today we've got a 2012 Victory Cross Country. This bike has under 11,000 miles on it and is in excellent condition. It's had a very gentle tip over or set down on the left or on the right hand side. So I'll show you that and show you what highlights are on it, and then we'll fire it up for you. This touring motorcycle, like I said, is in excellent condition. It's got some nice highlights on it too. So it will be getting a new front tire. It comes with a clear Clockworks windscreen, OEM highway bars, footboards for the driver, leather wrapped grips, cruise, fairing with the stereo, footboards for the passenger as well, hard side saddlebags. Saddlebags have the standard few boot marks on them from rider passenger throwing their legs over. This bike will be getting a new back tire as well. And again, this saddlebag, a few boot scuffs on it, as you can see. Again, footboards for both the driver and the passenger, highway bars, leather wrapped grips, and here's the spot with the damage on it. You can see it, whether it leaned up against a wall or made it all the way to the ground. I don't see any other telltale signs that says it made it all the way to the ground, so had to be up against a wall or something, which also then snapped the ball off the end of that front brake lever, which we're putting a new brake lever on it when it goes through service as well. So alright, show you the mileage. 10,574 is what's on it. This Victory will be going through our pre-sale inspection. This Victory will also come with our 30-day, 1,000-mile limited warranty, and as long as you own this bike from us, you will get discounts on your parts, labor, and your accessories. Thank you for shopping Simply Street Bikes.